Motorola Edge Plus 2023 is a smartphone that was announced on May 2, 2023 and released on May 19, 2023. It has a 6.67-inch OLED display which is curved that wraps around the edges of the phone, giving it a sleek and futuristic look with a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels and a refresh rate of 165 Hz. It supports Ready for 3.5, which is a feature that lets you connect your phone to a monitor, keyboard, mouse, or TV and use it as a desktop or entertainment device. It is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset with 8GB of RAM and 512GB of internal storage. It can handle multitasking, gaming, and 5G connectivity with ease. It has a triple rear camera setup with a 50MP main sensor, a 12MP telephoto sensor, and a 50MP ultrawide sensor. It also has a 60MP selfie camera on the front. It runs on Android 13 and has a 5100 mAh battery with support for 68W wired charging, 15W wireless charging, and 5W reverse wireless charging from 0% to 100% in just 30 minutes. It has a new portrait mode that uses the telephoto lens to create natural-looking bokeh effects and adjust the lighting and color of your photos. It is priced at $799.99 in the US and 1,299 Canadian dollars and 99 cents in Canada.